everyone, and welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily, and in this video, we are talking about verbs with two objects. Are you ready for this grammar lesson? Then let's get started. So first, let's review some grammar points. What is a direct object? A direct object usually answers the questions what or who. What did she eat for lunch? She ate a sandwich for lunch. Sandwich is the direct object. Who did you call? I called my sister. Sister is the direct object. Okay, let's move on. What is an indirect object? An indirect object usually answers the question to whom or for whom. Who did you give the gift to? Or to whom did you give the gift? I gave my grandmother the gift. So grandmother is the indirect object. Who did you bake that cake for? Or for whom did you bake that cake? I baked the cake for Angela. For Angela, the indirect object. Now, some verbs need two objects, a direct object and an indirect object. After these verbs, there are two possible structures. Here's the first. Verb plus noun, indirect object, plus noun, direct object. For example, the teacher bought the students some books. So, bought is the verb, the students is the indirect object, and the books are the direct objects. You can also switch them like this. Verb plus noun, direct object, plus to or for, plus indirect object. The teacher bought some books for the students. Okay, so that's a lot of information. Let's take a look at the first type of sentence again. So verb plus noun, indirect object, plus noun, direct object. She told me a secret. She told me a secret. To whom did she tell a secret? To me. Indirect object. Me. And what did she tell me? What did she tell me? A secret. That's the direct object. So told is the verb, of course. Me is indirect object. And a secret is the direct object. She told me a secret. Another one. He brought his brother a glass of water. To whom did he bring water? To his brother. That means indirect object. What did he bring his brother? A glass of water. That's the direct object. So, verb, brought, his brother, indirect object, and a glass of water, direct object. Also, if the indirect object is a pronoun, me, her, him, them, etc., we normally use it next to the verb. The teacher brought them some books. So, them, the students. The teacher brought the students some books. The teacher brought them some books. So again, if we use the direct object next to the verb, we don't need to or for. It's understood. She gave him a gift. Not, she gave to him a gift. She gave him a gift. Gave is the verb, him is the indirect object, and a gift is the direct object. Okay, let's move on to the second structure I said earlier. That is verb plus direct object plus to or for plus the indirect object. I sent a text message to my dad. To whom did I send that text message? To my dad. Indirect object. What did I send my dad? A text message. Direct object. So, verb, sent, direct object, a text message, to, indirect object, my dad. Let's do another one. I planned a party for my best friend. What did I plan? A party. That's the direct object. Okay. For whom did I plan this party? For my best friend. Indirect object. So, verb, planned, a party, direct object, for, indirect object, my best friend. Okay, so it's pretty easy once you understand and remember the structure. You just need a little practice and you'll have it in no time. Okay, so here are some common verbs that use the word to plus the indirect object. Give. Give the knife to me. Pass. Pass the ball to your teammate. Read. She read the book to her son. Sell. She sold a painting to me. Send. She sent a letter to her grandmother. Tell. She told the story to her father. Write. He writes letters to his girlfriend. And some common verbs that use for plus indirect object. Buy. He bought flowers for his mother. Bring. She brings bananas for her child. Cook. She likes to cook for her family. Get. Can you get the salt for me? Make. Larry made a pizza for dinner. Save. I'm saving this for the weekend. Okay, so that's all for this lesson on verbs with two objects. If you want a little practice, you can write some sentences of your own in the comments below. If you want even more practice, go to lingoni.com. At our website, you can sign up for the app. In the app, you'll get tons of worksheets and interactive exercises for this lesson and all the other lessons we have to offer. Thank you so much for watching Lingoni English. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye.